Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a 1-year review on my Louis Vuitton Zippy wallet. So if you would like to hear my thoughts, then please keep watching. Okay, so I thought I would share first how much this wallet retails for. It retails for $850 here in the States, and the measurements are 7.68 by 4.13 by 0.98 inches. So that is the measurements for this wallet, and I will show you the inside. I took all of my contents out just to show you in the beginning, but I have the red interior. I'm not quite sure of the exact name, but I will leave it on the screen. But on each side you get one slip pocket in the back, then you get 6 card slots on each side. Then you get a bigger pocket for like cash maybe, or cards or something like that. Then you get this little tighter slip pocket to hide things in, maybe like a check if you have any. And then this middle compartment right here, you can put cash as well. And then you get a little zipper compartment for your change. Then you get that same pocket that you get back here. And then on this side, let's flip it over, you also get the 6 card slots, and then that little, that little hidden pocket right there. So yeah, so altogether you get 12 card slots, so that is great if you have a lot of cards. But let me tell you my experience with this wallet. So if you saw my unboxing back in, I want to say April of 2019, if you didn't, I will link that up above. But this is actually not the same wallet that I showed in that video. I had purchased that, and then about a month later, I had issues right about here. Let me see if it'll focus. Right about here, I will insert a picture, but I did have some glazing issues where this whole part looked like it was just going to rip off. So I had called the 1-800 number for customer service, and they told me to just bring it into my local store. I went into the store and he just gave me a new one. So this is a new one. This is not the one that you saw in my unboxing, but it is the same wallet. Now this is a wallet that I've wanted forever. I always wanted to have a Louis Vuitton wallet, and I'm just attracted more to bigger wallets. But I will show you that this wallet, if you have bigger bags, then this is perfect, but if you are someone with a smaller bag, this may be too big. So I brought out 2 bags. I have my Louis by YSL, and then I have my Gucci Disco bag. So these 2 bags I will show you. So in the Gucci Disco bag, the Zippy wallet does fit. You can get it in there. By the time that you get it in there, it is taking up majority of your room. So if you want to carry a lot of things in your purse, then I don't recommend trying to fit that in a smaller bag, but it does fit, just in case you were wondering. And then in this bag, it fits perfectly. So if you have a bigger bag like this wallet will fit no problem. This has all my contents. I'm currently using this bag, but see, it fits in this first little slip pocket, and you have all this room to fill it up with other items. So it does fit in bigger bags. Other than having to get it replaced, I don't notice really any wear and tear. It looks brand new. The only thing that I will say is that there are some scratches. I'm not sure if it'll show up, but there are some scratches on this little zipper pull. That's normal since it like dangles off, so it is normal that it will rub up against other items. So other than that, I don't have any complaints, other than the glazing looks perfectly fine, but if you do run into that issue, they will replace it or they will repair it. So that's always good with Louis Vuitton items. And for this wallet, I 100% recommend it if you want a bigger wallet. So when I was showing you with the Gucci Disco, if that's a purse that you have majority of your bags are that size, then I wouldn't recommend this. This is way too big. It's going to take up a majority of your space. But if you have bags like these and you have a lot of room to fit this wallet and bunch of other items like I usually want to do, then I totally recommend this. This is a perfect wallet. And Louis Vuitton wallets, I just feel like they will last you forever. So once you make this investment, it is a lot of money, but once you make the investment, you'll have it forever. So it's worth it. So now I'm going to fill it back up with everything that I carry in it, and then I will show you what it looks like. Okay, so now I packed it back up with all of my items. Yeah, and one thing that I do want to mention is with the card slots, if you are planning to double up cards, the one thing that you should be mindful of is that this leather will stretch. So if you double up cards and then you decide that you don't want them double anymore, the leather will stretch. So it is a possibility that your cards will slip out. So I just want to give you that warning before. But yeah, so in here I will show you what I keep. So I have my insurance cards, I have loyalty cards, I have some cash in the middle. I never carry coins because I don't like when the zipper gets, like, I want it to be straighter. I don't want it to damage the zipper, but that's totally personal preference. But yeah, so I don't keep any coins, but you can fit a fair amount of change. And then on the other side, I keep gift cards, and then right here, I keep my credit and debit cards. So, and then another thing that I wanted to mention is when you put items in these little pockets right here, make sure that they were kind of like spread out. They're not like clumped all together, because that will cause your zipper to have the issue that I was saying about with the change. So yeah, so I highly recommend this wallet. If you have been thinking about it, get it, because you know Louis Vuitton does their price increases. This is actually increased, I want to say, twice since I purchased it last year. So just go ahead and get this if you have been thinking about it. And that is it for this video. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please like this video, leave me a comment down below, share with your friends, and please subscribe so you won't miss out on any more videos from me. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.